Introducing first the team of Sean Carpenter and CJ Kellum! And their opponents tonight, they are the team of Sean and Kane, the
Carpenter and CJ Kellum taking on the Wylds. Carpenter drags Wild to the corner where he tags in CJ Kellum. Big boy.
Go, CJ, go!
Kellum not impressed. Go. No progress really being made there. Both men are going to have to look for a different strategy. He's going to overpower the other. And that time Kellum able to get Wild to the corner. driving Kellum to the corner. Elbow to the midsection. Now a forearm. Kellum reverses the whip. Splash in the corner. Kellum in control. Carpenter tags back in. Forearms from Carpenter. Pulls Wild back to his feet. Now there's the forearm. And again. Goes for the chop across the chest. It doesn't really have the desired effect. In fact, one might say it had the opposite effect that Carpenter desired. Carpenter's hand caught. Oh my. Regretting tagging in his partner. Tag made. Shots to the midsection in the corner. The official trying to hold Kellum back. Kellum has to keep a cool head here. Cool head here. Excuse me. Things are breaking down in the ring and on commentary. Got Carpenter over his shoulder. I don't know how Carpenter is conscious. Carpenter in a heap there in the center of the ring, being pulled back to his feet. Kellum and the crowd getting behind Carpenter. It appears to be a bit of a hopeless situation. Carpenter is down. There's the leg drop. Folds Carpenter in half. Only a 2 count. Kellum back in the ring. But Kellum needs to get a tag here. Just like that. Oh, come on. Oh, well, that's just about it for Kellum. He's seen enough. Ridiculous. Choking Carpenter there. The official can't see it. He's busy laying down the law with Kellum. Carpenter with a neck on the bottom rope. Oh no. How much more abuse can Carpenter take? Carpenter down in the corner. Now being choked. Enough is enough. The official has to regain some order here. And again, they're antagonizing Kellum. They've gotten into Kellum's head. You can't really blame Kellum on one hand, but on the other, he has to keep his cool for the benefit of his team, for the benefit of his partner. Carpenter crawling. Carpenter makes the tag to Kellum. Kellum is in. A frustrated Kellum pleading with the official, getting witnesses from the crowd. There was a tag, but the official did not see it. Carpenter crawls, goes for the tag. Kellum is in, nearly colliding with the official there. Shots in the corner. Kick to the midsection. Spine first into the corner. Kellum charges. There's the splash. Sends him into the ropes. There he is. That clothesline. And Kellum tags Carpenter back in. Carpenter a little worse for wear, but there's the cover. Kick out at 2. There's the tag. This is just not a good night for Sean Carpenter. No, I said it's not a good night for Sean Carpenter. This might be good night, Sean Carpenter. At some point, where does the official step in? Carpenter is down. Oh, come on. On the outside, while the official is busy with Kellum. Arguing with the official. Carpenter may pass out here. The official checking on him. Carpenter sinking down. Carpenter says no, he's still in this. Fans and Kellum getting behind Sean Carpenter. There's the cover. Sean knows he needs to make the tag here. Oh, come on, just toying with them at this point.
This is bullshit.
able to buy himself some time. The forearm from Carpenter. Drop kick takes him down. Carpenter needs to make the tag here. This is the opening. Kellum is fired up on the apron. Carpenter has to make the tag. This is all on Sean Carpenter. Carpenter crawls. He makes the tag. The official sees it. Kellum is in. Chop from Kellum. Oh, not what Kellum had in mind. Oh, come on. And then the shot to Carpenter. Now Carpenter is in. Not the legal man, of course, but oh. Carpenter trying to buy Kellum some time there. Kellum gets a face full of that top turnbuckle. Oh, right into the corner. Carpenter makes the tag. I don't know if it's wise, but you have to admire the bravado here. The dedication of Sean Carpenter. Carpenter cuts down. Cover.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winners of the match, CJ Kellum and Sean Carpenter.
To the outside. Sends Kellum through the ropes. Oh, come on. That's ridiculous. The match is over. No sportsmanship at all from these two. Ovation here from the fans.